I want to delve into the concept of despair to explore its opposite, which is hope. Despair is the absence of hope, a state of being that offers no out, no escape, and no solution. But here is my secret: despair is not the bottom of the pit. Instead, despair is a weight that pulls us down to that bottom. If it was not for despair, we would not sink at all, we would rise. But despair drags us down. It tears us away from everything we believe and plunges us into disbelief. It follows when crisis has struck, and it destroys any hope for survival. Despair ends the fight or flight instinct and numbs us into shutdown, overwhelmed. As sunlight brings the day, so despair brings darkness. But the darkness is not the end, nor is the night evil. It is just something else. Day, night. And if you realize this secret, then despair is the vessel that takes us to something new, from day into night, and then to a new dawn.